Hello everyone, Cindy here with Monarch Mom DIY. Excited to be back with you for a process video of my February junk journal. So let's do an up close and slower February flip through. On my monthly page, I like to print little pictures of the books I've read during that month and stick those down. Now here's week 1. Over on the left, my daughter and I had a Lego building date. We started our Wednesday family night, and then my girls and I got our tattoos on the first Friday of the month. This was Valentine's week. I have what we mainly did on Valentine's Day, a workshop I did on that Saturday. Week 3, I ate out quite a bit. Let's see. We went to a Broadway concert, my daughter and I did, and I watched a friend's daughter play basketball. Week 4, again, not a ton going on. I was in an online event, went out to eat a couple times, and went to a church leaders event. So thanks so much for watching. I know it was quick. I will put links in the description box of the main tools and supplies that I use for my monthly memory keeping that I do in this junk journal format. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this, and we'll see you soon.